Well, while we have been cheering the rise as far as the entire market is concerned, especially, you've actually started seeing the mid-cap and the small-cap stocks start to outperform quite significantly. What we are looking at this point of time is that one very unloved sector, very untouched sector, has actually started moving up in tandem. And in fact, in the month of August, has actually outperformed the broader markets or the benchmark indices. We're talking about the power stocks, and ET now has been at the forefront of actually going ahead and identifying and breaking important news developments and bringing it first to the viewers in terms of significant changes, significant policies that have been announced and that are ongoing as far as the power space is concerned. So now the question that we are asking is whether can the rally continue, what's actually happening as far as power, and what has changed in August of 2020. So when you're talking about power companies, both power supply, growth, as well as stock performance is something that is doing quite well. So growth for the month of August after quite some time has gone up by 1% on a year-on-year basis. Stock performance, especially a few stocks such as JSW Energy and Tata Power, have rallied over 20% just in the month of August. So what's actually happened? What is the important developments? Number one, and the most important development is earnings. We're talking about Q1 earnings. Q1 earnings for the entire power universe. Unlike other companies in other sectors, which were a bit of a washout on the back of the pandemic-induced lockdown, given the fact that power companies, utility companies have a very regulated business model, you actually saw not too much of a change as far as power companies' earnings were concerned. NTPC Power Grid did take one-time rebates, did offer one-time rebates to state discoms, but that was something that was already factored in by the market, and the core earnings was something that continued to positive on the upside. In fact, NTPC, the buzz of a buyback too, aided the stock rally. You're talking about Tata Power next. Now, this particular stock, much unloved, been under the pump for quite some time on the back of the fact that the Mundra Power resolution is still something that the company is yet to get. However, in this particular result season, the company announced that it is going to launch a platform as far as its renewable portfolio is concerned. It will be launching an Invit platform, that is an infrastructure trust, which is similar to REIT. Now, what is also some positive developments as far as the entire space is concerned? The positions on overdue receivables from discoms actually worsened in June 2020. But post that, it has become positive, it has become quite stable. And in fact, a very significant development that has happened is that both power finance companies, both PFC, that is Power Finance Company, as well as REC, Rural Electrification Corporation, have been allowed to go ahead and give increased lending activities as far as state discoms is concerned, and this is something that augurs quite well as far as the utilities are concerned. So overall, the power sector rally might take a bit of a breather, but overall quite a bit of positive sentiment and positive news flow as far as this space is concerned.